Your magic box brought me the light. Wait, you're the fairy camera.
Yes,
You brought
I
me to
am.
life with... Thank you.
You're welcome.
Let's go fight some more monsters.
Okay.
I'll use... I will have to use this as my weapon. Let's go and fight more cat monsters. Lady, you are going down. Down. It's too strong because of its belly fat. But we need to retreat back to my base. Hey, the kitty base is in there. We should check if there's any cats in there. Nope, no cats. Then let's go back to the base. We need to think of a new plan to defeat him. I have an idea. Let's go. Follow me. Follow me, Box. I got it. Now it's time for the big finish.